Go.
Hey, how's it going, guys? Vince here from the Airsoft Walk-in Store. Here to introduce John Weaver, one of our regular customers, and his awesome PTS RM4 by KWA ERG. Here you go, John.
Thank you. Hi, everybody. What we have here is a custom-built ERG. There is nothing on this that hasn't been changed. It has been rear-wired successfully, works pretty well. It's got a Gemtech suppressor covering a 509 Miracle barrel, Fortis 12-inch rail, AMP bipod, AIM Sports 1.5 by 4 with an ACOG style reticle. Runs an 11.1 LiPo, and let's see how it shoots. Couple misses, but at this closer range I wish it was a little bit better, but that's the Indian, not the bow and arrow.